In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Picsart subscription on your iPhone with a quick and easy tutorial. If you want to stop your subscription and avoid future charges, follow these simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top to open your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on Subscriptions. Look for Picsart in your list of active subscriptions and tap it. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom of the screen. You might need to confirm your choice by tapping Confirm or Yes. After canceling, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle, so you can keep using Picsart until then. If you don't see Picsart in your subscriptions, make sure you're logged into the correct Apple ID or check if you subscribe directly through Picsart's website. That's it! Now you know how to cancel your Picsart subscription on iPhone quickly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials.